Thinking about using Capital One Auto Navigator to finance your next car in 2025? Let's break it down so you know exactly what to expect before you apply. The biggest advantage of Auto Navigator is the ability to pre-qualify without impacting your credit score. You get to see real rates and real payments based on your credit profile, which is a big plus. This way, you can shop with confidence at participating dealerships, knowing your budget up front. The platform is super user-friendly. You can filter cars by make, model, price, mileage, and more, and it updates your estimated monthly payments in real time. Plus, you can customize terms like down payment and loan duration to see what works best for you. On the plus side, Capital One partners with a wide network of dealerships, so there's a decent selection. And the fact that you can manage everything from your phone or computer, from browsing to getting pre-qualified, keeps things hassle-free. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Auto Navigator is only available at partner dealerships, which means private sales or certain smaller dealers won't be an option. Also, while pre-qualification is smooth, your final offer might change once you finalize at the dealership based on the full credit check and specific terms. So, is Capital One Auto Navigator worth it in 2025? If you want a fast, flexible way to explore car financing without hurting your credit, it's definitely a solid tool. Just remember to compare final offers at the dealership and shop around for the best deal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next deep dive. See you in the next one.